everybody. So last week we had we call it Weltfrauentag. I think it's like Women's Appreciation Day or something. And yeah, that's why I picked this puzzle. It is a 500-piece puzzle from Mudpuppy. And it's Little Feminist. So we've got all the strong women on this puzzle, and it's quite cute. I really like the artwork. So let's do it. Okay, so here we've got all these strong women. We've got Lucille Ball, and we've got Rosa Parks, Frida Kahlo, of course, Indira Gandhi. We've got Hillary Clinton, Queen Elizabeth I, Ella Fitzgerald. We've got Cleopatra. We've got Harriet Tubman, Gloria Steinem, Malala Yousafzai. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. I think I butchered it. Maya Angelou. We've got Emilia Earhart, Marie Curie, of course, Billie Jean King, and Sally Ride. So, girls, if you watch that, you can be everything you want. So, look at them. By the way, the puzzle was fun because the colors were so vibrant and you could separate them quite easily because of the backgrounds. So that was a very, very fun puzzle. Okay, you guys, we will see us on the next one. If you want, you could hit the like button or consider so if you haven't already, consider to subscribe. That would help my channel out. Or hit the like button if you like what you saw. And then we can see us on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.